What's up, y'all? I'm doing the introductions today. My name's Alex. This is Lydia's YouTube channel. Today we're at Michael's. I don't know where she is right now, so I'm doing the introduction. Yeah. I don't know, we're at Michael's, we're chilling. I lost her somewhere. I don't really know. Where would you go?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Anywho, my name's Lydia, and in this video is Day of My Life. Okay, good morning. It is 9:22, and I'm going to quick give back that tutu that I wore for senior pictures, for some of my pictures. And today is one of those days where it is just a lot of errands getting ready for camp, which I'm really excited about. So I already did like the morning stuff, like wash my face, brush my teeth, contact. I did all that. But now I'm gonna go eat some breakfast. I did not eat some before I went, and I'm really hungry now. So I'm gonna have some yogurt. That just sounds like a good idea. So later today, I'm gonna meet up with Alex at Michael's, which will be a lot of fun. And we're gonna walk around, and I have to grab some stuff for camp. So that'll be nice. I'll have someone to hang out with. Update, I actually didn't get to have breakfast because I had to do a cake emergency run, which was fun, but I'm now really hungry, so I grabbed a donut for my breakfast. So no yogurt today, but a donut, I'll take that. We're gonna start the errands right now.
What's up, fam? Okay, we're currently walking through Michael's looking for journals and craft supplies because why not? It's a summer thing. You do that kind of thing. It's so very fun. I'm trying to not run into anyone or anything for that matter. What am I looking for? This is why you can't. Lydia just ran into a pole. This is why I can't bring myself anywhere because I don't know what I'm looking for.
This is why I'm here to make sure that
this is what I needed. Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna start with the suitcase, and I'm bringing a large suitcase. This is the biggest one. There's three. There's the large, medium, and small. I'm bringing the large, so I'm gonna do that. I'm probably gonna wear this sweatshirt on the bus, so I'll leave that out. I'm also bringing my Crocs and my Nikes. So sadly I can't bring my phone. So, and then I'm gonna put my put bedding in this one. So I have my sheets and then the cover. I have more that I need, but that's in the wash. And then I'll add that too. Yeah. So that's it for that. Just kidding. Ah. That. I'm also bringing my makeup and my bathroom bag that has everything in it, and my scarf for bed, and some, so this is what it's looking like right now, and then some hats and some hair pieces too, and a lot of hair ties. So okay, I'm gonna talk about what I'm bringing for food. So they do have meal spoons, but this is more just for snacks. Like I bring into like my carry-on. So I have this box of snacks me and my mom got yesterday. I have Cheez-Its, Pringles, Hot Dog Bites, beef jerky, Little Bites, and goldfish. So those are the snacks I am bringing with. So I'm gonna talk about this awesome carry-on. I'm gonna be bringing, it is waterproof, so that means it does not get anything inside of it, which is nice. So I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna put into this bag, and actually it's not that heavy, which is really nice. So I cannot have my phone, so that means I don't need my phone, the cords for that, or my headphones. Oh, it's gonna be a long week. So first thing I'm going to show you guys is this tripod. This is nice because it can go on a desk. I can also carry it. It's really nice. I just forgot I had it because my other one broke, so I was sad. But I found this one. So then I have my baby tripod, which is for the desk. I mean, both of them could be, but this one I think can sit down video. That'll be nice. Also bringing some books. I'm bringing Little Women. And I'm bringing Disney After Dark. This is a good book. If you need a good book, this series is awesome. I read this in 4th or 5th grade. It's just basically what you kind of picture what happens after Disney, after it's all shut down, closed down. It's good. I know, I love it. So I'm bringing this too. I'm bringing my bullet journal. Sorry. So I have this. That is where I take notes from after the sermon. I also have my Bible. This is a special one. I call it my camp Bible. So I bring it every time I go to camp, and it shows each year what the theme was and then who spoke. So that's nice. Nice. She put some markings in it with a certain color. So last year I used blue, so this year I might use pink or purple. I'll be using this as my YouTube journal to get some ideas, so when I come back I can continue that. And then I call this my mystery journal because it depends on what I'm going to use it for. So I'm excited. Usually I like to do some doodles and other stuff, so that'll be fun. I'm thinking of doing like a kind of just like crafty scrapbook. I don't know. Whatever I do with this, you guys will see soon. Oh, goodness. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.
Like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Peace out.